झण्डा उत्तोलन गर्न अघि आइदिन म आग्रह गर्दछु।
श्रीमान, आपके समीकरण के लिए एक अफसर 4 कांस्टेबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट बैंक के साथ खड़े हैं। श्रीमान, कंधे साथ करेगा, कंधे
झण्डा उत्तोलनको कार्यक्रम दार्जिलिङ पुलिस बैंडद्वारा राष्ट्रध्वनि प्रस्तुत भइसकेको छ। अब आदरणीय जिल्लापाल महोदयले राष्ट्रको नाममा जिल्लावासीहरूलाई आफ्नो सन्देश प्रस्तुत गर्नुहुनेछ।
आज स्वतन्त्रता दिवसको शुभ अवसरमा सबै जिल्लावासीलाई बधाई दिदछु। Today is our 74th Independence Day. On this very day in 1947, our country has won freedom from the British colonial rule. But the freedom has not come to India very easy. It was due to contributions and untiring efforts and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, backed by participation of common public. It's a very proud day for us as we have started to stand with other nations of the world on equal footing on this day. This year we are facing challenge of COVID-19 pandemic. Our state government is making all of efforts to fight the pandemic. Our district administration, with the help of our state government, is fighting this COVID-19 pandemic in a full-fledged manner. We have 3 COVID hospitals and 5 safe homes in our district. Apart from that, we are also having home isolation monitoring facility for COVID positive patients. As on 14/8/20, we have 3,439 patients, out of which 2,584 patients have been recovered with a recovery rate of 75%. This is possible due to the efforts made by our health officials and other frontline workers. Also, during this pandemic, we have successfully managed the migrant movement. We have almost received 7,294 standard persons from all over India, and we have transported 19,919 standard laborers and other standard persons to other parts of India and within our state. Also, special pension scheme, state government, Jai Bangla, Tapashili Bandhu and Jai Jagat. Tapashili Bandhu, which is SC old age pension, 9,512 we have sanctioned, we have approved this year. And Jai Jagat ST old age pension 6,070. Apart from that, our PDS distribution going on smoothly. So government has announced till June 2021, the beneficiaries will get their entitlement free of cost. And in PDS distribution, we have distributed 9,268 special coupons and 95,524 temporary coupons. So, in this COVID pandemic, I thank who are helping managing this pandemic successfully. I thank, appreciate the continuous and tireless efforts being made by our health workers, government officials, police personnel, and other frontline workers. It is due to their selfless service we are fighting this virus strongly. And as a society, common people, and as a citizen, we have to be also follow some COVID-19 precautions and other norms. सबलाई social distance, mask र hand wash को विधि पालन गर्ने पनि अनुरोध गर्दछु. If we all fight against this coronavirus, we will overcome this pandemic soon. I wish you all again a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Dr. Pavita Nandi, जसले कोभिड वारियरको रूपमा आफ्नो त्याग बलिदान गर्नुभएको छ, ठुलो योगदान पुर्याउनु भएको छ. उहाँलाई हामी आज 74औं स्वतन्त्रता दिवस समारोहको अवसरमा सम्मानपूर्वक माल्यार्पण गर्दै पुष्पगुच्छ तथा प्रमाणपत्र दिन लागिरहेका छौँ. आदरणीय जिल्लापाल महोदयको बाहुलीबाट
আমি হচ্ছি পেডিয়াট্রিক ডিপার্টমেন্ট
আপনার নাম?
পারমিতা নন্দী।
कसैले तथा प्रेसिडेन्टलाई उहाँहरू तीनजनाले पनि उस्तै गरेर आफ्नो जीवनलाई नै खतरामा राखेर यो कोरोना भाइरसका एगेन्स्टमा धेरै सेवा पुर्याउनु भएको थियो र यसरी सेवा पुर्याए बापत उहाँहरूलाई पनि ससम्मान पुष्पगुच्छ प्रमाणपत्र प्रदान गरिँदैछ. आज 74औं स्वतन्त्रता दिवसको शुभ अवसरमा सुभाष घिसालीपछि प्रसिद्ध आयो सुभाष घिसालीलाई पनि हामी आज माननीय एसडिओ साहेबको बाहुलीबाट माल्यार्पण साथसाथै सम्मानपूर्वक पुष्पगुच्छ तथा प्रमाणपत्र भेट गर्न गइरहेका छौँ. यहाँहरूको योगदान सराहनीय छ. यस्तो खतरनाक परिस्थितिमा पनि उहाँहरूले आफ्नो जीवनलाई खतरामा राखेर सेवा पुर्याउनु भएको थियो. उहाँहरू धन्यवादका पात्र छन्. र त्यस्तै प्रकारले अन्तमा हाम्रा प्रसिद्ध राई हुनुहुन्छ. प्रसिद्ध राईलाई हाम्रा आदरणीय एनडिसी साहेबको बाहुलीबाट यसै गरेर माल्यार्पण पुष्पगुच्छ तथा प्रमाणपत्र प्रदान गर्दै सम्मान जनाइराखेका छौँ. यसरी आज 74औं स्वतन्त्रता दिवस समारोहको अवसरमा यी 5 महान व्यक्तित्वलाई हामीले यसरी सम्मान पुर्याउनु पाउँदा हामी अति गर्वित भएका छौँ. यसले अरूलाई पनि धेरै प्रेरणा दिँदछ ताकि हामी डरले घरमा लुकेर बसेर मात्र हुँदैन, तर यसरी हामी क्षेत्रमा उभिएर यस्तो प्रकारको सामाजिक कार्यहरू पनि हामीले गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ. सेवा नै हो धर्म महान भनिन्छ र यो ठुलो सेवा पुर्याउनु भएबाट उहाँहरू सबैलाई हामीले आज सम्मान गरेका छौँ.
Thank you everyone for your kind support and felicitation. Okay, about my experience during COVID-19, when I turned out to be positive, after testing in hospital, I was immediately taken to Dr. Chan Super Specialty Hospital. And most important thing was I was taken care of really well. Tests were performed immediately. Doctors checked the food and the support and everything was up to date. And all the things, all the doctors and healthcare providers, they were wearing proper PPE and every hygiene and necessary precautions were maintained. And after 5 days, when my reports were negative, I was transferred back to Darjeeling and I stayed in home quarantine for 7 days. And throughout that period, our hospital superintendents and supporting staff and everybody, and the local people were really supportive. That's how it should be. The most important thing I have learned is not to panic. Unnecessary panic is very dangerous. So if you have positive, without any symptoms, you need not panic. You should just stay quarantined for 14 days, and if you develop symptoms, immediately go to the hospital. And our hospital has very good testing facility, and we are performing rapid diagnostic tests as well, and dedicated fever clinics and their doctors and healthcare staffs are always there to help you. And if you turn out to be positive, hospital is taking an initiative to transfer you to COVID hospital and treatment. So I don't think there is any need to be unnecessarily panicked right now. So I just wish everyone to stay indoors, maintain social distancing, wear masks, use hand washing frequently, and just stay safe in general. That's it, and we are always there to help you. Thank you very much.
विशेष के भने अब भने जब मऱ्यौँ र खासै कोरोना चाहिँ के रहेछ भने अलिकति अब ज्वरो आयो भने अलिकति हाच्छिउँ आयो सर्दी लाग्यो भने चाहिँ कोरोनाको सिम्टम भनेर सबै डराउँछौँ। तर घाँटी दुख्यो भने नुन पानी चुल्हामा त हुने रहेछ। अब त्यस्तै खोकी लाग्यो अलिक साह्रो पऱ्यो भने अदुवा पानी बेसार पानीहरू खाएर पनि पचाउनु सकिने रहेछ। खासै गएर गरेर मरिहाल्ने ग्यारेन्टी छैन। मैले त्यस्तै
उहाँ पनि कोभिड वारियर हुनुहुन्छ दिव्येन्दु दत्त। कृपया उहाँलाई सम्मान जनाउनको निम्ति अघि आइदिन आग्रह गर्दछु र उहाँलाई पनि एकजना सक्रिय कोभिड वारियर भएको कारणले गर्दा आदरणीय जिल्लापाल महोदय श्री एस पुनबालम आइएएस को पाहुनबाट सम्मान जनाउन गइरहेका छौँ। उहाँलाई पनि माल्यार्पण गर्दै पुष्पगुच्छ तथा प्रमाण पत्र हामी प्रस्तुत गर्न लागिरहेका छौँ र यो भेट उहाँलाई एउटा सम्मान जनाउँदै गरिएको हो, जसले यो कोभिड-19 कोरोना भाइरसको विरुद्ध लड्नमा धेरै सहयोग पुर्याउनु भएको थियो। 74औं स्वतन्त्रता दिवस समारोहको अवसरमा यसरी यस्ता वीर योद्धाहरूलाई हामीले सम्मान जनाउन पाउनु हाम्रो अहोभाग्य हो। नानीहरूलाई लाइनमा बसेर मिठाई ग्रहण गर्ने आग्रह गर्दछु।
दो देना है।